Hi, this is the second scenario in module 7, loading a TSV file. TSV means tab separated values file. So let's jump into the demonstration. So first see the TSV file. This is the file which is delimited by tab. It has a column row, a header row having the column names, and others are the data rows. All are tab delimited files. So let's see the package. I have already created a package to load this file, TSV file, into the database table. So for that we have the data flow task and we need a connection, flat file connection. There are two types of connection, new file connection and new flat file connection. We have to create this new flat file connection. For any delimited file, CSV, TSV, PSV. In previous scenario, we have used this connection manager. So this is the flat file connection manager. I have already created this flat file connection manager TSV file. So let's look into this TSV connection manager. We have the location of this file, and we have locale code page settings there. If we need, we can use the Unicode. The formatted, again a delimiter. For qualifying the text, I have used the double quotes, although I do not have the quoted text. Header row is delimited by new line. We do not need to skip any header rows. Yes, column names in the first data row, it is true. I have checked it. And in columns, we have the row delimiter as a new columns. For column delimiter, we have to choose this tab because this is the tab delimited file. TSV file, tab separated values file. So we have to choose this one. And in advance, again, as in our previous scenario 1 in module 7, we can perform the column renaming and column data type changing, and we can add or delete any column there. And as per the database table, the destination table, we have changed their data types accordingly, like first name to integer, although we are not using this column to insert into the table, but if we are working there and there are few columns, so we can do this. If you don't need, you can skip this column data type conversion. The first name is converted to Unicode string 80 with 80 length. Same the last name. Address is of 100 characters. Zip code is of 10. City is of 50. Phone number is of 20. Email is of 100 Unicode. And then we can preview the data here after applying these advanced operations. So this connection is fine. And let's look into this data flow task. Inside the data flow task, again we have the flat file source and derived column transformation and the ADO.NET destination. In flat file source, we have provided this connection manager name FFCM TSV file. It shows the columns in the column. We can see. Uh, we can also see their data types if we hover on a column. The data type details, right? So in derived column, we are deriving a column for package name using the package name system variable. And in ADO.NET destination, we are using the ADO.NET destination ADO connection and the same table as we had used in previous scenario. And mapping is done there. Customer column, destination column is ignored. All other columns are mapped properly. So let's execute this package. First, we can see that there are 16 records in the table. Those were loaded by a CSV file. So let's execute this package, and this file also have the same 16 records and it has loaded all 16 records. So let's query our data with table. So you can see there are 32 records and 32 records, and I have also counted this using another package. So in CSV file there was 16, in TSV file there are 16 records. So this is how we can load the TSV file. This is just a matter of changing or configuring the connection manager using the required column delimiter. Okay, so we have used the TS tabs for tab separated values, and the file was loaded successfully.